photography.
I'm using the vector pen tool to trace over my sketch image. I'm not making them accurate or smooth at this point. I'll auto-smooth or smart smooth them later. Here I'm setting the stroke thickness and taper length. And then making some adjustments to the lines. I'm using a smaller stroke width for the inner detail lines. Now I select all of the points using the node tool. Then right-click on a node and select Convert to Smooth. Next, I'm creating a mid-grey background to make it easier to view the colors. Now I'm switching to the pixel or raster workspace. I've chosen a brush I'm happy with, and I'm going to use the Apollo palette. This can be downloaded from low spec. I'll put the link in the description. I'm happy with this brush and the palette, so let's get painting. Here I'm closing any small gaps in the line work. I'll start by filling all of the wooden parts with a mid-tone color. Don't worry, I'm not erasing these lines. I just forgot to exclude them from the selection before using the fill tool. Now I'm going to create a layer mask. This prevents me from painting outside of the lines. Time to paint the shadows and the highlights. I'll speed this up. Now for the metal/gold ring thing. Oops! There is more wood here. Now for the rope. I changed to a brush with more texture for the magic glow. I duplicated the wood layer and gave it a gradient overlay. Setting this layer to overlay to create some lighting and shading. Next, I duplicated the magic glow layer, added a Gaussian blur effect, and set that layer to overlay. Now for some color and texture in the background. Using some spray and spatter brushes for the texture. The final steps are giving it a textured border. Setting a larger canvas size. Some extra magical particles. And not to forget, Steppy logo. Thanks for watching. Haha, now go buy the t-shirt.